Guys, if you're new in the world of Forex, or you have actually learned one or two things on how to trade Forex, but you are finding it hard to navigate the Forex market and become a profitable trader, this channel is basically for you. I'm going to be simplifying basically all those difficult terms and how to apply it in trading and become a profitable trader. So in some of my subsequent videos, you'll be coming across different terminologies simplified in order to make you a profitable trader. So in this particular video, we'll be talking about, in the simplest form, what is Forex, how does Forex trading work, the major currency pairs, and the Forex market house. What then is Forex? Forex is popularly known as FX or Forex exchange. It's just the process of trading currency, using one currency to buy another currency. That's all. It's like going into a supermarket and buying a book and paying with a particular currency. But in this case, the good you are buying is another currency at a very low value and selling at a high value to make profit. Well over 6 trillion US dollars is traded on the Forex market. And that's why the Forex market is basically the largest financial market across the globe. You can't beat this over 6 trillion US dollars. The major players behind the scene are the banks. They are the people moving this money. So you take a slice out of it. You take a slice out of it. We want you to invest with your own capital. They are willing to take it from you. If your analysis are right and your risk management is good, you are going to be able to take a certain slice out of the market. So, like I said earlier, what happens on the Forex market is currencies are either bought or sold simultaneously in pairs. So how does it work? Take, for instance, this particular currency pair, USD/JPY. In the next session, I'll be discussing major currency pair. But take, for instance, this currency pair, USD/JPY, that's US dollar, Japanese yen, where the US dollar is the base currency and the Japanese yen is the quote currency. Basically, what it means is, how many Japanese yen do I need to buy $1 or $1 at a particular value? And if it appreciates, then I sell and make profit. This is basically what happens on the Forex market. So we are either buying or selling. How do we make this happen? You need a broker or trading platform. There are several trading platforms and brokers: HFM, XNS, Vantage. Please do a thorough research in your country, whichever is applicable and most widely used. They provide what is called margin. Margins allow us to control large amount of money just by depositing small amounts in order to make profit. And if your risk management is right and your strategy is right, you don't end up losing your capital. But if it was wrong, the small deposit you make is actually lost. What are the currency pairs? There are several currency pairs on the Forex market. It is basically divided into the major currency pairs, the plus pairs, and the minor pairs. If you're a beginner, even most professional traders try as much as possible to maintain trade major currency pairs because of the low spread. Because of the low spread, that's just why they often trade it. So we have 8 major currency pairs. We have the US dollar, the Japanese yen, USD Japanese yen, pounds USD, USD Swiss franc, Australian dollar USD, USD Canadian dollar, New Zealand USD, and even pounds. My favorite is basically the USD Japanese yen. I actually trade this currency almost all the time. That's what I've been trading. When you agree, most professional traders will tell you it has high volatility. Inclusive the pounds USD, they have high volatility. So that's why we trade it. So, but my favorite is USD Japanese yen. So I advise as a beginner, if you are going to the forex market, learn to trade one major or maximum of two currency pairs. So how does the forex market work? The hours. It happens 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, from 10 p.m. Friday night, 10 p.m. Sunday night to 10 p.m. Friday night. The whole of Saturday and earlier part of Sunday, there's no meeting. There's a close of the forex market. So basically there are 4 sessions. We have the Sydney session, that's the Australian session, which opens around 10 p.m. So during this time, you see a large volume of traders actually trading the market. We have the Tokyo session, which is the Asian session, basically which I trade. It opens around 12 p.m., 12 a.m. in the midnight, and closes around 10 a.m. in the morning. We have the London session, the pounds USD, and the New Year session, which opens around 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So if you're a beginner, you have to take note of this key time, people where there's going to be high volatility, high movement on the forex or that forex play in order to maximize and make profit. The banks, like I said, are the major players on the forex market. You can't be too intelligent more than them. You only need to take a slice of what they are moving and become profitable. But if you are selfish, within a jiffy, they are going to take back your own small capital. So I hope you've learned something. In some of my subsequent videos, I'm going to be sharing more useful tips from beginners to professional level. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. If you find this useful, kindly subscribe to this channel.